Hello guys, by now you must have known that I am a huge fan of terminal tools. In this video we will be installing yet another terminal tool, but this time it will be on Windows, and this terminal tool enables you to talk to the model hosted by Ollama and various other model providers including OpenAI and lot of others. This tool is quite nifty in my opinion. It is a terminal user interface chat application that speaks with LLMs, complete with slash commands and fancy chat bubbles. It features agnostic backends to allow switching between the powerhouse of ChatGPT or keeping things private with Ollama. While Oatmeal works great as a standalone terminal application, it works even better paired with editor like Vim or Neovim. It is your choice that which editor you would like to use with it. The good thing is that this Oatmeal works with macOS, with Ubuntu, Fedora CentOS, Arch Linux, Alpine Linux, Windows, WinGet, Cargo, Docker, and even you can install it on any other operating system. They also have their Git repo, which you can see on your screen, and I'm going to drop the link to it in video's description. A lot of flexibility in this tool, and we will be using it with Ollama. If you don't know what Ollama is, Ollama is one of the easiest and simplest tool to download and run large language models locally. I already have done heaps of videos on Ollama, so please search the channel and you should be able to find it. So for instance, if you want to download and install Ollama for Windows, go to their website ollama.com, click on download, and then you will see that this is the Windows. Just download it for it, the exe file, next, and it is going to install it for you. But I already have it installed on my system, so let me quickly show you. So this is my PowerShell terminal. If you don't know how to open it, just in the bottom left, click on here, type PowerShell, and right click run as administrator, and then you'll be presented with this screen. Here I already have Ollama running, so I'm doing Ollama list. It is showing me that these are the models which I already have downloaded. If you want to download your own model, just simply run Ollama, run and Mistral or whichever model you want to download from Ollama, and you can get the list from their website. So let me clear the screen. Another thing I would suggest you have is Choco install. Just type Choco here. I already have this Chocolates version 2.2.2 installed. So if you don't have it installed, just Google it. You should be able to find the Chocolate. If you can't find it, let me know, because it's very easy to install. Just open this PowerShell and copy and paste this command on your PowerShell window, and you can get it from internet. If you can't find it, let me know and I'll paste it in the comments too. So in order to install Chocolate, all you needed was to run this command. Once you have run this command, you should be good to go. Now, if like me, if it is maybe it's a bit older version, you want to get the latest one, just simply run this Choco upgrade Chocolate. And once you do that, so it says that 2.3.0 is available. So let's wait for it to download and install. I'm just going to say yes here. Let's wait for it to finish. And you see that it has upgraded the Chocolate. Let me clear the screen. And now if you do Choco, now it is showing you the latest version, which is 2.3.0. So we have Ollama installed, we have Choco installed, all good to go. In order to install this Oatmeal, this command is very simple. Now another thing I would suggest you use with this Oatmeal tool is Neovim editor. It's a very nifty little editor. Let me quickly show you. So this is a Neovim editor which you can use with it. Very extensible, very fine Vim based editor, and Vim is a very famous Linux based editor. So just click on install now. It is going to take you to their GitHub repo. From here you will see that this is the download page. Just click on Windows, or if you're on Linux, click on there. I'm going to the Windows page, and then you see that for Windows there are a lot of options. You can simply run this Choco install Neovim, and then I'm just going to copy this, go to my PowerShell and type this, and I'm also just going to put -y here so it won't prompt me. So let's wait for it to finish. It shouldn't take too long. And you can see that Neovim is already also installed. Let's clear it. And now let's install that Oatmeal. For that, the command is very simple. Choco install Oatmeal, and the version is 0.13, which is a stable version. So let's wait for it to install. And then I'm just going to press capital Y here. It is just going to install it quietly. Let's wait for it to finish. Not that huge. And that is already done. You see, it says that Oatmeal was successful. And you can check the version of Oatmeal by just typing Oatmeal -- version, and it is showing you the version there. Let me clear the screen. Now by default, when you run Oatmeal, it selects Ollama by default. And running Oatmeal is as easy as this. Just type Oatmeal, press enter, and there you have your Oatmeal. So you see, it already by default has selected the Llama 3 model, which I showed you earlier. We already have it with Ollama, and then you can start talking with it. You can ask it any question like, what is happiness? Press enter, and then there is your terminal UI. You can talk with any model. So it is just loading the model locally, and then you see we are talking with it. There you go. Now the reason why it is showing you that it is basically a coding terminal. So that is why if I just go above, you see whatever you will ask, it is going to take it and then show you that. So there you go. So you see it has given us what happiness is, and then it is just telling us a lot of other stuff about coding. So let's ask it a coding one. Write me a PowerShell script to clear a screen. Let's see if it understands PowerShell. There you go. There you see you have the PowerShell there. And then not only it is telling you there, it is also telling you all about what exactly the synopsis of the script is, and very nicely marked down output. And if you want to exit or quit from here, just type /quit, and it has quit. Now for example, you want to use it with Neovim instead of clipboard. The previous one was clipboard, so I'm just saying Oatmeal -e Neovim, press enter, and there you go. Okay, it says that it's not set up properly. Okay, I think I just need to reload it because maybe it is unable to select it. Okay, I found the issue. The issue was that the environment variable was the path was not set. So for that, you just need to select here, edit the environment variable, click, and then environment variables again. Select the path, click on edit, and then add this path here. C tools, Neovim, Win64 bin, and you should be good to go. So I already have done it. Let's go back and run our PowerShell, which you can already see on the screen. So just type Oatmeal -a and Neovim, press enter. Okay, still not there. I think I just forgot to reload my PowerShell after setting the environment variable. Let me quickly do that. Okay, it seems that there is some sort of bug with Neovim integration with Oatmeal, because if you check here, if I do Neovim, it doesn't work. When I do nvim, it works. So this is your Neovim. So it seems that they have changed this. They call it nvim in the exe, but when we specify it with Oatmeal, it doesn't really work with Neovim. For instance, if you specify Oatmeal -e nvim, it won't recognize because it needs Neovim as a value. So if I do Oatmeal -e Neovim, it simply doesn't recognize it. But anyway, this tutorial is not about Neovim. But we already have seen that Oatmeal works with Ollama, and you can chat with your model, which is another repertoire in your long list of tools now. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about this Oatmeal tool. Now you have Ollama client in Windows 2. Play around with it. Share your thoughts in the comments. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.